Hey guys, Mike on Internet Pro. I wanted to make a quick update. As you know, you guys, I've been showing you PayPal proof after PayPal proof, going all the way back 4 months since I started this channel. I've been showing you PayPal proof that I've been making for 4 months consistently, and there's no difference with today. Okay, so you'll see some personal information blurred out because it has some people's names in here and their personal information. So out of respect to them, that'll be blurred out. But as you see, guys, as you look down here, I'll show you all of the money that has come in with PayPal. Okay, and this is all free traffic, free traffic, free traffic, free traffic. Okay, you can see this is all come in today. Now, guys, what I want to do is show you with the 50 cents in 10 days, this is all going to be $17 per month, reoccurring residual passive income. Okay. The 1049s you see are actually upsells. Okay, so all of these hit my account today from all free traffic. Okay, now I'm gonna come over to PayPal and show you the same thing. This is my PayPal account here. If I hover over the profile, you see my name here. Come down and check it out here. Okay, same thing. And again, the 50 cents will in 10 days will turn to $17 a month. Okay. 17.49, and then it's around 17 plus, and then the 10.49s are all upsells. You can see they all come in today. Okay, social media, guys, you don't have to pay for traffic. Okay, you don't have to spend countless hours on Facebook trying to convince people and all that kind of stuff. You let the system do the selling and the telling for you. Okay, so again, you find the link below, click join up. So just go ahead and click the link below, guys. It won't cost you anything to look around and check it out for yourself. Anyways, Mike on Internet Pro. Click the link below. I'm out.
Guys, if you want to make money with Michael, click the link below.